You know, it's proven that secondhand smoke is cancer agent.
All right, everybody, I want you guys to take a look at this Spry. It's raining outside. Actually, it would be a perfect day to go out here and fly this thing in this rain. But the only problem is it's like 35 degrees and raining, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so we're going to, global warming is alive and well, right? Okay, anyway, so here it is. It got held up when I got this box. I mean, the customs went through this thing like you wouldn't believe. Okay, they had all the customs tape all re-taped on there and everything, but it's okay. They just wanted to take a look. They probably wanted to get one, so they wanted to check it out. Okay, so they wanted to see what it was all about. Okay, here's the nice case that it comes in. Real nice case, one of them ones you can take off from right there. You can set it right up on top of there. You don't have to set it in the grass. Let's just open that. And then that way you can see it. And it's built very nice. It's a very high quality build on this thing. Real nice. I'm going to give you the little all the way around look at it. It's like a little antenna here. I guess those are some cooling fins right there. There's the camera in there. It's not a gimbal, but it goes up and down. It doesn't, it's not a 3-axis gimbal. It's got EIS on it. There's some covering still on here. I haven't removed it yet. I will when I take it out. There's the side of it. There's the motors. And they are, it says it on there. It's just hard for me to see it. 2206. 1600 kVs. There's a close-up of those. So yeah, looks good. Now here's the little lock. Once you get this pressed in here, which is pretty hard to press in here. They got this thing watertight pretty solidly. Anyway, there's the door. It comes off. The battery will go in here. And this is the little lock. You just turn this. Once you get the cover smashed on, and that locks it right there. You'll see that it'll go over top of the cover. Then inside here is this where the battery plugs in here, and then this is where the micro SD card slides in there. And right there is a USB port right there, and that's where you would do your updates and everything on there. So I haven't done anything like that yet, so I've been busy with some other stuff this week. So let's get inside of here. Now what I like about this one is that the transmitter is also waterproof, and that's a big plus. And here's the transmitter itself. Very nice build on this thing. Very nice. The sticks, the screen. The screen doesn't look that impressive, but it is what it is. This is a little water sports drone. This isn't, like a Mavic Pro or nothing like that. There's the return to home button right there. There's the GPS, circle flight, and the ADI mode. Then you have some buttons here, probably a takeoff and land here. And there's some, that may be a video or take a picture, this button here. We'll see. And then there's a power button there. There's your channel button there. It has a nice little aluminum holder right there. Here's the spot for the antennas right up here. Yeah, it's real nice, man. Real nice. Oh, yeah, and then here's the charge port right down here. I don't know what size the battery is in here. It doesn't say on the controller, but it's the controller's pretty heavy. Let's put it that way. Okay, let's get on to the battery, which is right here. And it is not a LiPo. It's a lithium ion. It is a 11.4 volts 3600. And there you'll be able to see it right there. There's some little button on there. I'm not sure what that's for. I'll have to look in the manual. There's the charge port. There's the pins where it goes into the quadcopter, how it would slide in. So it would sit in like this, and then to get it out, I guess you could pull on this thing here to get it out of the quadcopter. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. And you got the props here. One, there's 4 there, and there's, so they give you 2 sets, 2 whole sets. Here's the power cable for the charger. Let me get the charger out. It's a real nice balanced charger. Right here it is. You can use this for other stuff too, because it's got multiple voltages on there. You can use it for different batteries if you want. 11.4 7.6s on there. You can use it for that. So that's cool. And then in here is a bunch of stuff you need. Here's the cable here that connects the battery to the charger, and that would go in here like this. Let me see. Yeah, down like that. So that'll go in there like that, and then you plug this end into the balance charger. Comes with this ring, which I don't even know what it's for yet, but I'll figure it out. To clip something on. Here's a USB cable, a micro USB cable, which everything in the world comes with one of them, right? And here's a wrench to do the props with. It's an 8mm. Yep. Yep, that fits right on the prop. It's a nice little wrench there too, right there. It fits right on there like that, so that's cool. There's a couple of pads. I don't know what those are for. Okay, now here's a spare, like these would be covers for the antenna or whatever. Right here, those are spares, and spare O-rings, stuff like that. And then here's the antenna itself. 2.4 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz. And they're actually real. There's wire running through them, okay? So these are real antenna, not like Ishin stuff. Or some of them toy things. They make those antennas and them things aren't even real. And then here's the manual. So that's about it. So let me get this figured out here, and we'll get it out there and fly it as long as the weather warms up, because I'm not taking this thing out in no 35 degree and raining. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to always take this with me when I go up to like that Lake Donegal and all that. If I get there and it's starts raining or something, at least I'll have something to fly. That's kind of one of the reasons I bought it, is that I'll always have something to fly if I get somewhere and the weather's bad. So that's kind of the reason I bought it in the first place. So, all right, guys, there you go. The Spry Plus. It's a beauty. You guys have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.